Top stocks in news: VMS TMT, Swiggy, HCL Tech, Torrent Pharma, Akzo Nobel, Torrent Power. Stocks including VMS TMT, Swiggy, HCL Tech, Torrent Pharma, Akzo Nobel, Torrent Power, Synzes Tech, Lemon Tree, and more will be in the spotlight on Wednesday, 24th September. Corporate actions today: shares of Sunshield Chemicals shall trade ex-date for rights issue, while shares of Shankara Building Products shall trade ex-date for spin-off today. Shares of Shraddha Prime Projects and SMS Life Sciences India shall trade ex-dividend today. 1. VSM TMT. The Ahmedabad-based metal solutions player is set to make its Dalal Street debut today after the company raised a total of 148.50 crore rupees via its IPO, which ran between 17 September and 19 September. The company offered its shares in the price band of Rs 94 to 99 per share with a lot size of 150 shares, and the issue was overall subscribed a solid 102.26 times. 2. Swiggy. The company board has approved the sale of 10 equity shares and 1,63,990 Series D compulsorily convertible preference shares, CCPS, held by the company in Ropin Transportation Services, Rapido, to Netherlands-based MIH Investments 1 BV for 1,968 crore rupees. 3. Akzo Nobel India. Promoter Imperial Chemical Industries is likely to sell up to a 5% stake in Akzo Nobel via block deals, with an offer size of 742.7 crore rupees and a floor price of 3,261.8 rupees per share, suggest media reports. 4. HCL Technologies. The global technology company has renewed its long-standing digital transformation agreement with the Sweden-based commercial vehicle manufacturer for AI-powered digital foundation services. 5. Torrent Pharmaceuticals. The Competition Commission of South Africa has granted its approval for the acquisition of a controlling stake in JB Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals from KKR by the company. 6. Sudarshan Chemical Industries. The specialty chemicals player surged 87% YoY to 55 crore rupees, while revenue zoomed 296% YoY to 2,506.9 crore rupees for the June 2025 quarter. 7. Torrent Power. The utilities player has acquired 11.95 lakh equity shares, 49% stake, of Newzone India, NZPPL, and 30 lakh equity shares, 100% stake, of Newzone Power Projects, NZPPPL, the holding company of NZPPL, from the Saravgi family and related HUFs for 211 crore rupees. NZPPPL already holds a 51% stake in NZPPL. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.